First I'm going to put a little bit of power on this watch here. I don't need to maximize the power, but I want to put a bit of power on it before I case it. Now I've got the dust ring here. I want to be very careful when I put on the dust ring to not interfere with the balance at all. So the dust ring would go down like this, I believe. And you simply line up. There's a small half moon on the side. You just line that up and the dust ring falls into place. That's not very tight either. Normally dust rings are a bit tighter than this. And now we're going to put on the face. So first I'll grab the hour wheel, put that on over the cannon pinion, falls into place, and then the dial washer goes on top of that, and that prevents the hour wheel from popping up. Now I want to loosen the dial screws. And these screws hold in the dial feet. I screw them in for cleaning so I don't lose them. Shout out to Wayne here. This is Wayne's watch. It's like Wayne's World. So making sure this is in the right position, I'm going to grab this very carefully on the edge. And 12 o'clock is high. So it should fit in just like this. I'll clean this off with Rodico after to make sure there's no fingerprints in the dial after everything has been tightened down. Now I'll tighten the screws and they'll snug up against the dial feet. They don't have to be ridiculously tight, just enough to hold the dial in place. Probably should have put a glove on the other hand too, but they're very clean. And I'll be cleaning this off anyway. What I like to do here is rub the edges with Rodico before I complete the project, just to pick up anything that might be left over, dust or anything like that. And if I look at the dial itself before I put the hands on, is there anything on this dial that I need to clean? Really not. It's already been cleaned, but I'll give it a once around. There we go. The watch is ticking nicely here, so time to case it. So I'll just rest the movement on my Bergeron gelled pad while I open up the watch. The owner put a little bit of a tag on the back. You should let these things stay vintage looking. I do recall him saying that this watch was very difficult to pull out the crown. So let me test that first, see if I've got an issue. All right, pull the crown in like that. and push the crown out. Well, he's absolutely right. This crown is like very difficult. He said that he uses pliers to pull the crown out. Well, that's ridiculous. So I'm wondering how I can adjust this crown. I think this is going to have to be phase 2 of the casing. So I'll put this video up, but this crown is stuck in here. I've got to do a little reading here first. But it goes in nicely, no problem, but you can't pull it out. It is, I'm trying all the best kung fu I know, and it doesn't want to come out. That is really stuck.